Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you this mid to late 1920s Star-Rite electric fan made by the Fitzgerald Manufacturing Company. You may have seen my other nickel-plated Star-Rite that I made a video of a couple months ago. I got this fan in Sedona, Arizona during spring break at an antique store for about $45. I did not know if it worked, but I really liked it, so I took a chance, and turns out it works great. I completely rebuilt the stator. Other than rewinding it, I replaced all the friction tape, varnished it, unwound new leads from the stator, etc., and completely rewired it and polished some of the parts, and now it works just fine. This is my smallest antique fan in my collection. Here's the side. And back. Alternating current. It only draws 0.4 amps. It's less than a cent an hour to operate. No switch, it's just a plug and go fan. I plan to install a switch in it someday soon though. It's very quiet. Plug it in here. Alright, thanks for watching.